Hi, Brad from WestCoastMazda, and today we're taking a quick look at the Mazda CX-5 Sport Design. The Sport Design is a new trim for 2022 that Mazda offers in a non-turbo and a turbo model. Some of the key features on this vehicle are the black grille. The lower black trim has been painted in a high gloss paint. The mirror caps have also been painted in a high gloss paint. Black 19-inch alloy wheels. The front design has been totally redone with new headlights, grille, and bumper. The rear has also been redone, new hatch design, rear bumper, and taillights. And now for 2022, we're offering the Mazda MI Drive. It now has the 10.25-inch infotainment system with the 7th generation Mazda Connect system and the HMI controller. If you'd like to know more about the 2022 Mazda CX-5 Sport Design, come on down to West Coast Mazda. You know where we are. We're just across the bridge in Maple Ridge.